Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. It is 9:30 in the morning. The stock market just opened. It is Thursday, March 14th, 2024. We are not in no position right now. So, looking at what happened overnight, we had a nice up move overnight. Random made new all-time highs. But we are re-rolled over in the morning, starting around 7:30 in the morning. Now we're coming down into support. What I'm going to do here, absolutely nothing. I'm going to wait for this to figure itself out before I do anything. We are into support. This is where we bounced at before we made those new highs. So if we get a close below this 34.35, that confirm lower lows, and then we will be looking to short on the pops. However, this continue to sell off, especially down here to this 27s, to this 30 to 20 area. I will be looking for longs down here if this sale continues to be aggressive like this. So again, we're going to let the market be the market open. I'm going to let these 30 minutes play out to figure out what we're going to do next. I'm going to shut my mouth and we're going to rock out until our setup presents itself. Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. We are in our first trade on the day. We are short ES here at 52.2175. Our entry is 52.2175. Our stop is 52.50, and our target is 51.86. And again, that target might move up somewhere if I get more price action. Once I get more price action, I meant to say. But as of right now, my target is 51.86. And the reason why we are long is because we had this massive red candle here that closed below our previous candle, closed below all the previous lows, closed below last night lows and below yesterday. So now we're coming into this area of price action here. So again, we are short ES, and then I also have a add-on position up here at 52.83. Again, I do expect this to bounce, but and if it do bounce, I want to add up here. Hopefully we roll over throughout the day and make new lows. But if we don't bounce, I'm fine with that also. If we don't bounce higher from here, I'm absolutely fine with that also. So, yeah, we are short ES. We're going to monitor this trade and see how it play out. And again, this target may move up throughout the day. But we shall see. We're going to see how this trade play out.
Never after 9, or she might get it.
Alrighty. So I moved my target up to 5201 and we are out at target. Target 5201 has been hit. So what I'm looking for now is if this candle closed below this previous candle, I'm looking to get back in because I do ultimately think we're coming down here to test this 85 area. So hopefully, I'm able to hop back in on this short train. But I did just lock in some profits on that trade. So that's a great trade. In at 52.21, out at 52.01. So a nice 20-point trade right there. All right, so we're gonna let this candle close in 9 minutes, and then we're gonna see what we do next.
I ain't lying, my nigga, gonna be honest.
Alrighty, good afternoon, everyone. It is 1:46 p.m. and we are back in our second trade on the day. And in this trade, we are short ES, back in the short ES 5207. Our stop is 5222, and our target is 5188. Alrighty, we back in another short. And again, the reason why we are short, this candle closed below the previous candle. That is our signal, and the break of that candle is our entry. However, today I decided to wait on a pullback. I've been getting in on pullbacks today. Also, for my original trade, I was expecting us to come down here in this area, in the 88, 87 area. So now that I'm back in, I locked in profits earlier. So I'm back in on this trade. Hopefully we get some more follow through down here to this 81, 87, 88 area. Alrighty, so we short ES here. And I already know this is going to be my last trade on the day. So we're going to see how this trade work out. I'm going to shut my mouth and we're going to rock. Alrighty, so real quick, I went ahead and cut my losses at 52.13.25. I stopped out my shorts, but man, I did get a little spooked, but it's all good. Again, take my loss and I get a chance to re-enter. So what I'm looking at now is if we get a close below this area here. If we get it close below 52.15, that is we are creating a 30-minute lower high here. And then that will be my short signal, and then I will get short once this candle break. Alrighty, so that is what I'm looking for and expecting. Again, we're going to see if I get it close in 20 minutes. If I get it close below 52.15, then we'll be entering shorts. Maybe for some lower downside, some new lows. I don't know yet, but we're going to find out. So let's continue to monitor this thing and see how it's set up and see if we get our trade. And this kind of trade is a pullback. This is a pullback. We came down, made a big move. Yes, I made some money on the move down. We got this pop up here, nice 2-candle pullback. Only way this kind of 2-candle pullback is if this 30-minute close below the previous. With this, if I take this trade, this is a pullback trade, break and retest, or the pullback, or all the other names that they call it. But that is what this is. Break and retest. Support now turn to resistance. Floor turn to the ceiling. All them different sayings. Break it, come down. Now we coming back up. Retesting resistance. And I'm looking to enter a trade on this. Alrighty. It is 3:44 p.m. And now we are in our final trade of the day. I said that earlier, but I sold out like a wuss. So now we are short ES for the third time today at 52.02. Our stop is 52.21 and our target is 51.83. The reason why we are short because this candle here closed below the previous candle. That is our signal, and a break below that candle was our entry. Alrighty, so that's my target is 51.83. Yeah, I like that target, the 51.83 target. Alrighty, so we're gonna sit back, monitor this trade, and see how it play out.
Oh, yeah, I can fuck with this, Louis.
Alright, so we stopped out on that trade. I do feel like I overtraded today, but we ended the day positive $163. Luckily, but yeah, I overtraded today for sure. And get back to the drawing board. And I gotta stop certain things, but yeah, we managed to end the day with a small profit. Won't complain about it. See you guys tomorrow.